Earn money by editing and will learn to talk and
Right, wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, I'm a partner today. We got a lot of participants who want to learn English here. Now we have about 2 around the world. We're not taking lead to 2 groups today. Then have about teacher like Mr. Alfi al Muslim, and then Faburati, and then Mr. How do you say your name? Forgot your name, please. Ikram. Your name, please. Ulul Azmi. Alright. I'm sorry. Alright. Well, talking about can money solve anything or problem? Can money buy something? Can we live without money? Alright. Today, I want to explain about what's money. You know what? From this to the end of the day, people very totally need money. Without money, people couldn't live. From this to the end of the day, when you go somewhere, get married, get it, buy something, work, build a house, bring a bird, get scholarship, and then we college, we have to need money. Without money, we can't do anything. Alright, today I want to show you money can kill someone or not. Which one have to choose? Rupiahs or dollars? Alright, today people can fight each other, kill each other with dollars, and then rupiahs, and then riyal. Can I sit down? I can believe that why people now from this to the end of the day, those people very need job, money, get a job for a job, not still not in going abroad, just looking for a job, waiting there. I have no idea about that because I myself from this to the end of the day, I'm very tall in this money, but money couldn't buy happiness. Can you imagine that? This community for free, you don't have to pay, right? So you don't have to put in money, just put it, buy your drink. That's it. Example, only cup of coffee, just only 5,000. And then cappuccino, the police take 1,000, whatever you want, that is money. But somebody, I couldn't live without money, that is the kind of people I myself, until now I can't live, because even I have no money, I have no education, I have no job, because you know what? Sometimes I have a guy from Europe, or United States, or Asia, Libya, money doesn't totally important in our life, Very long time ago, our grandfather, grandmother, you know what? They don't like money. So the point is, when you get a job, we have to put your money. When you got, police, army, that military, you have to put money. So money can buy something, but money cannot buy happiness. You don't have to go to body. Happiness in your heart. How we convey that in your life? How do you exploring that in your heart? Example, I'm very tall. How we when somebody people want to learn English, those people invite them learn English. I hope every single people in Aceh, Aceh province, now live in Aceh province. I hope Acehese people, those people must be can stay. Right, speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.